Let's try to solve this question. In this question, it's been asked that calculate the percentage of pure aluminium in 10 kg of aluminium oxide. The formula is given Al2O3, and it says the 10 kg of aluminium oxide of 90% purity. Okay, this is very simple question. We have to understand, but one more thing. Let's read this question again and understand what is the important clause over here. So this says that calculate the percentage of pure aluminium in 10 kg of aluminium oxide, and the formula of aluminium oxide is given, which is Al2O3, and this says that this Al2O3 is 90% purity. It comes with the 90% purity. That means out of 100%, only 90% is my pure Al2O3 and rest 10% is impurity. Okay, that's it, nothing, no problem. That means we know that this 10 kg is not pure Al2O3, this 10 kg is impure Al2O3. Out of 10 kg, only 9 kg is my Al2O3 and rest 1 kg is impurity, in which I do not have any interest. Okay, the wrong spelling of impurity. So okay, so only 1 kg is impurity. So let's try to solve this question first of all. So when we always calculate the percentage of any element, okay, so let's say over here percentage aluminum is equals to, what do? We calculate the total weight of aluminum in the given compound divided by the total weight of the compound. Okay, but over here it's clearly mentioned that the total weight is 10 kg. We have to calculate the percentage of pure aluminum in 10 kg of aluminum oxide. That means my denominator is already given 10 kg. Okay, I'm gonna multiply it with 100, and whatever the answer will come, that would be my percentage of pure aluminum. Okay, but for that I require one important thing, which is the total weight of aluminum in 10 kg of Al2O3 with 90% purity. Okay, sir, how can we calculate? So first of all, let's see how can we tackle this question. Once we know this, we just have to divide it by 10 and multiply by 100, and we'll get our final answer. Okay, so first of all, let's draw the line over here that, sir, out of 100%, only 90% is my pure Al2O3, rest 10% is impurity, and in this impurity we do not have any interest. We don't have to do anything with this 10%. Okay, sir. So as it is given 10 kg, so out of 10 kg, 9 kg is my pure Al2O3 and rest 1 kg is my impurity. Again, we do not have any interest in the impurity. Okay, so if the 9 kg is actually given, okay, so when they are giving 10 kg of Al2O3, 9 kg is Al2O3 inside it. Okay, so sir, 9 kg means 9000 gram. Okay, 9000 gram of Al2O3 is present in the 10 kilograms of compound given. Okay, 10 kilograms of this Al2O3. Okay, perfect. Now let's calculate the molecular weight of Al2O3. So molecular weight of Al2O3 is gonna be 2 into Al plus 3 into oxygen. Okay, so 2 into 27 plus 3 into 16. When you solve this part, you get the answer 54 plus 48, which is equals to 102 gram. How many? 102 gram. Okay, understandable. Okay, so molecular weight of the Al2O3 is 102 gram. Correct? Perfect. Now, sir, it's very easy to know that 102 gram, if they gives 102 gram of Al2O3, so out of 102 gram, 54 gram is aluminium. Am I correct? See, if the 10 total molecular weight of Al2O3 is 102, so out of 102, so 54 gram is aluminium. Okay, so if out of 102, 54 grams is my aluminium, then I have 9000 gram of pure Al2O3. Out of 10 kg, 9000 gram is my pure Al2O3. So 9000 gram of Al2O3 has X gram of aluminum in it. Correct? What are we trying to do? We are trying to calculate the total weight of aluminum present in this 10 kg of Al2O3. Correct? Okay, so let's find the value of X. X would be equal to this X will come over here, 54 into 9000 divided by 102. Okay, so 54 divided by 102 into 9000. When you solve this fraction, you get the answer is equal to 4764 gram. How many? 4764 gram. When I convert this 4764 gram into kg, I get the answer 4.764 kilogram. And this is the 47 kilogram of aluminium. Okay, and this is the answer of my numerator. Okay, so the total weight of the aluminium in 10 kg of Al2O3 is 4.764 gram. Now just for calculating the percentage of aluminium in 10 kg of Al2O3 with 90% impurity is equal to 4.764. The total weight of aluminium present in the 10 kg of Al2O3 divided by the 10 kg into 100 is equals to, when you solve this fraction, you get the answer 47.64 percentage. Okay, 47.64 percentage. Hence, percentage of pure aluminium in 10 kg of aluminium oxide with 90% purity is 47.64%. Let's once again try to read this question and try to solve, understand how we come to the conclusion of the final answer. So first of all, this question was asked that calculate the percentage of pure aluminium present in the 10 kg of aluminium oxide with 90% purity. Okay, when we read this question, we got clearly and we understood clearly that our denominator is 10 kg. Okay, the total weight of the aluminium oxide is given, which is 10 kg, but this 10 kg is only 90% pure, the rest 10% is impurity. Okay, so if out of 100% 90% is pure aluminium, that means 10% is impurity. So out of 10 kg of Al2O3, only 9 kg is my actual Al2O3 and 1 kg is impurity. Now when we convert the units to kg to gram, 9 kg becomes 9000 grams of Al2O3. Okay, then the next step we did, we calculated the molecular weight of Al2O3, which is nothing but 2 into Al and 3 into O. When we add this, the answer came as a 102 gram. Okay, from here we got to know that, sir, out of 102 gram, 54 gram is my aluminium. So if 102 gram has 54 gram of aluminium, that means 9000 gram of Al2O3 has X, and we calculated the actual amount of the pure weight of the pure aluminium present in the 10 kg of Al2O3, which is 4.764. Then we divided 4.764 divided by 10 kg into 100, and we got the percentage of pure aluminium in 10 kg of Al2O3 of 90% purity, and the answer was 47.64 percentage. Once again, if you do not understood any part of this question or the solution, go through it once again, and if you still have any particular doubt regarding this question or any other, you can comment your doubt in the comment section and we'll solve your doubt by making a dedicated video. Okay,